Hey, today I'm making Tzatziki, or as we call it in Kurdish, Xiyarmast or Tzatziki. This video might not qualify as a recipe video because of how easy it is to put everything together, but it's way too delicious not to share. To start off, you need thick and creamy yogurt, preferably homemade Kurdish yogurt. But if you don't have that, please make sure you're using Greek yogurt. For the cucumber, I like to keep the skin on, but you can go ahead and peel it if you prefer it that way. Some fresh mint, or dried if that's what's available to you, and some fresh dill. That's right, I'm team both and I don't discriminate. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think. Or tell me, which team are you on? To finish it off, we need some finely grated garlic and salt to taste. My preferred method to prepare the cucumber is to grate it. Sometimes I do like to chop it up finely, but oftentimes I end up grating it. And if you follow suit and grate your cucumber as well, just make sure that you squeeze out as much water as possible before putting all the ingredients together. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.